Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Bert. Welcome to GreensThings. Today, we already got all our ingredients out. Let's make some homemade brownies. Okay, everybody. So, in a medium saucepan, you're going to combine your melted butter, sugar, cocoa powder, and your salt. You're going to combine it in a medium saucepan. You're going to put it on the lowest setting that you can put it on, and you're going to stir it up. You're only going to have it on here just so that everything combines, so you're not even going to be heating it up very much. And we're back. So after you got all your cocoa and stuff, all that stuff combined, then you're going to add in your vanilla extract. I like to use a pure vanilla, and it could be the store brand or you can buy a name brand if you want. Get that put in there. Also put in 1 egg, and then you're going to mix it all up. Combine in your flour, mix that all up. Then you're going to go ahead and put the other egg in and combine that in there as well. After that, you can go ahead and just mix everything up. Okay, everybody, you know what time it is. Let's get this thing to mixing. So there it is. We got everything mixed up. This is what we're gonna be putting in our. We're going to be putting this in there today. We got some milk chocolate and peanut butter flavored chips we're going to be adding to our mixture. You're going to take a wooden spoon, okay? Go ahead, just put those chips in there and kind of fold them in, okay? After that, we're going to get everything put in the pan, okay? After we get it all baked up, normally I would be making anything I'd be making from scratch, but I forgot to pick up cream cheese at the store, so this is what we're going to be putting on it today. If you would like to, go ahead, line your 8x8 cooking pan with parchment paper or aluminum foil. It'll just make it easier to get the brownies out of the pan, less mess. Go ahead and put this in the oven, 325 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll see you right back here. While that's happening, y'all know how I am. I'm about to wash up these little bit of dishes that we used to create our brownie mixture. We'll see you in a few minutes. All right, there it is coming out of the oven. Hey, I want to show you something real quick. Take a toothpick, right? Put it in the center. Looks a little bit wet in the center, but that's okay, because check it out. You're going to go on the outside. You're going to check the outside, right? When you pull it out, toothpick is dry. So that means it's a little bit uncooked in the center, but that's fine. Go ahead and take it out of the oven anyway, guys, because with this being cooked at 325 degrees, it's still actually cooking in the middle. So while your brownies cool, they're still actually cooking. So it's fine that it's just a little bit uncooked in the middle, and it'll be perfect. And we're back. All right, everybody. There it is, all done. We got the nice sweet stuff on the top there to love it. As always, everybody, thanks a lot for joining the channel today, stopping by, take a look at what we got going on. I certainly do appreciate it. Remember, like, follow, and subscribe. My name's Bert with GreensThings, and we'll see you again.